this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Go ahead and click the link below so you can get the tab for this song. It'll be a lot easier to follow. I'm going to start you off with the opening riff. For right now, put your ring finger on the 4th string, 9th fret, and your middle finger on the 2nd string, 8th fret. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take the whole hand and slide it down. You're going to leave your thumb in the same spot when you slide. That makes it easier. But take these two fingers and slide them down 2 strings, and you're going to play the 4th string and slide it up, and then play the 2nd string on the 8th fret. And then you're going to do the exact same thing down 2 frets on 7 and 6. And then you're going to do something similar. You're going to slide up from the 3rd to the 5th fret, but then you're going to put your pinky down and play the 2nd string, 5th fret. And then you're going to do exactly the same slide again, but you're going to play it with your 2nd string with your 1st finger. And don't pull your finger all the way back out of the way. I'm trying to let you see what my fingers are doing. You want to keep them all right there in place. Play it slow. Then you repeat that and you've got the introduction. The rest of the guitar part in the song is pretty much bar chords. You're going to play a G. First finger goes all the way across the 3rd fret. Make sure you get a nice solid G for your root. Middle finger gets the 3rd string, 1st fret up from the finger. Ring finger gets the 5th string, 2 frets up. And the pinky goes right behind it on the 4th string, 2 frets up from your initial finger. I'm saying it that way because when we go to the F chord, it's going to be exactly the same thing, down 2 frets. But then we're going to go to the C chord, which is kind of the A bar position. Your 1st finger presses down on the 3rd fret all the way across to the 5th string. If you can, I like to mute the E string, the 6th string, with the tip of that finger, so you can strum a little harder. And then your ring finger lays down across the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, 2 frets up from that 1st finger. Back to the G. Then for the second section, you're playing G, then you go to a D chord. Does that look familiar? Because it's exactly the same as the C that we're going to slide down to. Again, don't bother pulling your fingers back out of the way like I am. Keep them up over the strings. The strumming pattern on Fortunate Song is really energetic. We're going to get wound up and do a good solid protest rhythm. The steady beat is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but we're almost going to be playing a 16th note. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, with a lot of downs. Almost all. I guess if you wanted to be lazy about it, you could play it in 8th notes and do the accents on the ups, but that makes it sound sort of reggae to me. About halfway through the song, there's an interlude. It's on the tab. It's marked interlude. I don't make these things up. That's what they're called. 2nd string, 6th fret. 3rd string, 7th fret, and just play that for a whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide down 1 fret. 1, 2, 3. Play it and slide all the way down the 1st fret. 2, 3, 4. 1 and slide up 2. So you wind up on the 3rd and 4th frets. Just the same position, sliding around. Then you start back on 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all the interlude. Don't forget to check below for other songs that you might like to learn, and below that there's this big gray section for you to ask questions. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. Please ask questions. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Thank you for watching. It ain't me.